Ever had a hiccup sneak up on you out of nowhere? Annoying, right?
A hiccup is actually your diaphragm throwing a little tantrum.
The diaphragm is that muscle below your lungs helping you breathe. Sometimes it gets irritated by spicy food or fizzy drinks. When it's irritated, it contracts suddenly, pulling air into your lungs.
But the sudden closure of your vocal cords makes that hic sound.
So it's like a misfire, and your body responds with hiccups. Most of the time, they go away on their own, like tiny storms. But holding your breath sometimes helps reset your diaphragm. Next time you hiccup, you'll know it's your diaphragm's quirky way of saying hello.